welcome to the redwoods of Northern California. I've got this beauty right here over my shoulder, and I'm kind of whispering because I don't know. I feel sort of like I'm in church right now, and so I should be respectful towards these old sentinels here. Um, I want to show you some pieces today in some beautiful shades of turquoises and like deep watery blues. I'm gonna start with this necklace here. All of these blues are translucent, so if you're wearing a white blouse, you'll even get like a little kind of blue reflection onto your fabric. And I think that this necklace is just asking to be layered with something. I've pulled out this necklace, right, for just some fun color and shape combining. But I would say if you were to layer these two, I would even consider coming down further on the chain. I like that look better than having the circle up high. Look at that. That is just going to bring joy into your day. Come on. Who doesn't need a little orange and bright blue? And then this necklace has these super cute little earrings that go with it. See those? You can at least see how the light moves through that color. Another possibility are these guys. Look at how cute that looks. And same thing. Oh, such a nice shade of blue. Wow. Whoa. If you just need to dive under the beautiful ocean for a second throughout the course of your day, just take your earring off. Then, of course, there's this bracelet. I've made this bracelet before, but never in the resins, right? And it's just like slinky. It sits so nice on your wrist. And this one's a little bit big for me. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, depending on how big your wrists are. Just let me know. So there you have it.